Thank you for choosing to join my English lessons. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about poetry, in particular attitude in poetry. What is attitude in poetry? Attitude in general refers to feelings and opinion that a person has towards someone, something, or a particular situation. In poetry, for instance, it is a person's feeling towards a certain topic, an idea, a situation, a person, or the subject matter of the poem. Depending on the poem, the attitude can be classified as either hostile, indifferent, critical, despising, spiteful, scornful, hateful, contemptuous, dismissive, respectful, among other words. There are certain indicators that can help you as a reader or a teacher or a student correctly point out the attitude of the poet or the persona in the poem. For example, look out for lines that make you laugh, cry, smile, or frown while reading the poem. Next, look out for the use of hyperbole or extreme exaggeration in statements. Look out for use of contradictory statements. Look out for irony. Look out for understatements and overstatements, among other things. It is also important to note that the tone used in a poem will guide the reader towards identifying the attitude in a poem. Therefore, it is imperative to first identify the tone before you identify the attitude in a poem. It's also advisable never to identify attitude in a poem as being negative or positive. Rather, it is advisable to use adjectives that specifically identify the attitude in the text. Words negative and positive are considered vague because they hardly capture the correct attitude intended by the persona or the poet. Thank you for attending this lesson. See you in the next.